Alright, hey y'all. It's your homeboy Prankulon here. How y'all doing? But look, well, I'm sorry about the other video. It just messed up. My phone about dead. So that's why it's short. But in the first video I said I'll make a video about finding the old classic car. Well, this time I will. So here it goes. I'm sorry it's kind of bright. I'm trying to get it like non-bright, so give me a second. I'll try to get it fixed. Alright, I'm back. I tried, but um, well, let's do this. If y'all can barely see it, just comment down below. And yeah, let's get started. Alright. So like I said, you can add me on Xbox. And hold on y'all. I'm sorry. Alright, is that good y'all? Comment down below because I'm not looking at my phone right now. I have it propped up. But alright. Yeah. And before y'all watch this video, like, comment, and subscribe, please. I know. I'll get started. I was hanging out with my homie Aaron Wiles. You know him. If you don't know, go check him out. Aaron Wiles is his YouTube channel. Sorry. So let's get started. All right. Okay, here we go. All right, here goes nothing. All right. Yeah. Like I said in the first video, I'm sorry it's so crappy looking. It's just my phone. Get a little bit closer. This is my camera picture. Let me do this. Let me try to pop it up right here. Alright. I hope y'all guys can see it. I really want y'all to see it, but alright, here we go. But yeah, like I said, my little brother made a channel. Go check him out. It's Brian Mullinax. He's my little brother. And yeah. So here we go. Okay. Alright, hold on guys. Alright, we are back. Alright, now. I'm so sorry, it's so bright. I'm so sorry about that. Alright, here we go. There's that car. That car. That car. I'm not gonna show all my cars, but this is the car I'm gonna help y'all look for. It's called the Relic. If I don't know if I pronounced that right, but there it is. Here it is. It's a good car. Alright, so that's what kind of car I'll be helping y'all find today. And I'm gonna start doing a bunch of videos about Gun to Auto, online, everything. So yeah. And here I go. Alright. Now. Alright. The place where it is, it's right here. So this spot right here. Here you go. I'm sorry if y'all hear people in the background. It's just my parents. It's in this area somewhere. So. And yeah, my ear's messed up. I got a swimmer's ear. Yeah, I got a swimmer's ear, and I got some drops for it. Trying to take care of my ear and everything. So I might not make videos much until my ear gets better. This is my second video, and I'm gonna start making like 30-minute videos or shorter. But yeah, so just enjoy it. Like I said, like, comment down below, and subscribe, and go check out my little brother's channel. And if y'all haven't checked out the first one, go check that one out. It's just me telling y'all about gamer tag and everything. Yeah. Alright. I'm sorry I'm talking so much. I'll just shut up right there. Alright, comment down below if y'all want me to talk while I'm doing videos. If not, just comment no, or if y'all do want to hear me talk, just comment yes. Alright. Alright, y'all. There it is right here. This is what it looks like when it's not upgraded. Give y'all a better look. I'm sorry, hold on. There it is right there. Yeah, I'm sorry about that, y'all. Alright. 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 There it is right there. That's how it looks. It's a pretty good car. That's what it looks like. And how to find this car? It's right here. It's right here in this spot. See? Right there in that spot. It's right there. Where the one is, that's where it is. So if y'all want to pause the video right here and go there if y'all played Saints Row 4. And yeah, I got plenty of games. Let me show you all of my games. So give me a second. Let me get them out of that. Yeah. And these are my games. I'm gonna be doing a collection, Xbox 360 collection. And right there too. So yeah, just comment down below if y'all want me to make a video about me, just like showing off my games. And yeah, once again, there it is. And I hope y'all enjoy this video. I'll make more videos in the future. Alright, peace out, y'all, and I hope y'all have a good day.